Pumbaa the warthog loved to bask in the warm African sun. But one day, the sky turned gray and rain began to fall. Pumbaa didn't mind the rain at first, but as the drops grew bigger, he started to feel a little damp and chilly. He looked around for a place to take shelter, but all the trees were too tall and none of the bushes were big enough. Then, Pumbaa saw something unusual. A small, round hut nestled among the tall grass. It looked cozy and dry. Pumbaa waddled towards the hut, feeling the rain dripping off his snout. As he arrived, he saw a sign that read, "Simba's Hideout." Pumbaa chuckled. "I don't think Simba is here," he said to himself. "But I'll take my chances." He pushed open the door and stepped inside. The hut was warm and dry, and there was a soft, fluffy bed in the corner. Pumbaa curled up on the bed and drifted off to sleep, dreaming of sunny days and tasty bugs. When he woke up, the rain had stopped. Pumbaa felt refreshed and ready to go on another adventure. He thanked Simba for letting him stay and waddled off into the sunshine, feeling grateful for the rainy day adventure. From then on, Pumbaa always remembered that even rainy days can lead to new discoveries and cozy naps in unexpected places.